In this video, I'll show you how to log into the Phantom Wallet app on your phone. First, open the Phantom app. If you've already used Phantom on this device before, you'll see the unlock screen instead of a sign-up page. Here, enter your password in the box and tap unlock. If you've enabled Face ID or fingerprint, you can just use your biometrics instead of typing the password every time. Once it unlocks, you'll be taken straight to your main portfolio screen with all your tokens. If this is your first time using Phantom on this phone, you won't really log in with an email. Phantom is a non-custodial wallet. Instead, on the welcome screen, tap I already have a wallet. Choose import using recovery phrase, then carefully type your secret phrase in the correct order, set a new password for this device, and confirm. After you finish, Phantom will load your existing wallet and you'll be logged in. From now on, just open the app and unlock with your password or biometrics. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.